into the forum now for getting in touch with people actually on the forum. So basically, if you want to reply to somebody, say somebody's got something for sale on the forum and you want to get hold of them, you've tried a PM, that hasn't worked, you've tried replying to them on the forum, nothing's worked there at all. What we've got now is the Facebook style at, and then you can start typing in the user and you get the drop down box. And what it does is it creates a mentioned post, and then if their notification system is set up correctly, it will actually send them an email saying that you have mentioned them in a post. So I would just type in, or just hello will do, click submit, and watch how this works. You see you've got your at Martin there. Now up in the notification system, you'll see you would see there that somebody has actually mentioned you. If you go into settings and come down to the bottom of your settings in the notifications, you'll see there someone mentioned me. Now initially it just comes through as notifications, so you'd only get it in your notifications box up here when you're actually signing to the forum. If you click on email, that then will send you an email when somebody mentions you. You can imagine if you're trying to sell something, you would have to be on the forum every day if you want any quick sale to see if somebody was actually replying to you about the item that you're selling. This way, you'll get an email when somebody mentions you. So if somebody wants you direct quickly, they can get you like that. Enjoy, guys.